Hello dear student, in exercise 4.3 of class 8 practical geometry, we have to draw the quadrilateral on the basis of information. So here I have drawn the rough figure. Here it is given MO is 6 cm, OR is 4.5 and the angles given M is 60, O is 105 and R is also the same. So on the basis of that you have to design the quadrilateral. So for that you have to take 6 centimeter. You have to design the 6 centimeter line. So this is what I am going to draw, 6 centimeter. And this is what side MO. Now here first we will take 60-degree angle. So what happened, by you have to take compass and take you can say less than half of the line distance so that you can easily draw systematically. Take carefully the point M, okay, and you have to make big arc. And here once this arc cross the line, here you are getting the particular point on the line. So take the pointer carefully and don't change the distance of compass, okay. And now here you draw the arc and this point is known as a 60. And if you take the pointer here and make one more arc, you will be getting 20, means it is increasing by 60. So now here you have to draw the line. And this angle will be what? 60 degree exactly. This is 60 degree. So here we completed 30%. So this angle is a 60 degree. Now here we will do 105 degrees. So here you have to see carefully. Then you have to do same process and do the angle 60 first. Take the pointer on O and make a biggest arc so that we will get 60 degree and 120. So this first arc is a 60 and take your pointer on this intersection and make next arc. Don't change the distance of compass, that is very important. So this is 120 and this is 60. So now here we want 105. So here I tell you one thing, we will go step by step. What happened, this is what 60, this is 120. So here you have to take the average because first you have to make 90 degree. So 60 plus 120 divided by 2, it is 180 by 2 means it is 90. So first you have to draw 90. So whatever the distance of compass was there, you can keep same or you can increase little bit, not the issue. So take the pointer on here 60 degree and take the arc. Now you take here on 120 and make the arc. So we are getting point of intersection. So here draw the straight line from O. So that will be your 90. And but we want 105 which is more than 90. So that 105 which is present in between 90 and 120. So do the same, 90 plus 120 divided by 2. So it is 105. So what happened, we want the middle. Here we can see in middle point of intersection. So here by using compass, take the pointer here on 90 degree point and here you make the arc. Now here next arc is there. So here you keep the pointer carefully with the same distance of compass, make the arc. So that is exactly 105 degree. By using scale, make the line. So this is 105. By using same process, we want the 105 at point R. But here the distance of OR is 4.5. So that you have to draw that. So OR is what? 4.5. So that we completed. and that point is known as the point R, and somewhere we will get E. So here you reduce the distance of compass, that it is better if you take less than half of that line. Here you make the arc, I am just increasing. So on that particular distance point you have to take the pointer and make the arc carefully. So here now you keep the point here. So that first cut is a 60, second cut is a 120. So here that arc was shorter, I have to increase. So this is what 120 and this is what 60. So first you have to do 90 and take the pointer here. So this is what 90. So you have to draw this line first, which will indicate 90, so that we will get 105 angle. So now what, this is what we got here, the 90 angle. So keep the pointer here, draw the arc here on 120 degree arc, keep this intersection. So now from point R you draw the straight line which will pass to that 2 arc. So here we got 1 point, and now you are here, you have to just increase this line which we got in 60 degree, so that we will be getting quadrilateral. So this angle that we got, this angle is known as 105. So here we got 3 angle, okay, and this shape four side they are close, that is what the quadrilateral. So in this way you can do this easily. The thing is you have to carefully draw 105 degree angle, that is important in this question. Now we go into the next part. So here now we are in the second part. So first here you have to do the PL 4 centimeter, and according to the question here it is 4 centimeters, 6.5, this angle is 90, this angle is 75, this is 110, and by using compass you can make 90 and 75, you cannot make 110. I tell you the reason later on. First you have to make PL 4 centimeter. So now we have done PL with 4 centimeter, and in this question, as I told you, you have to write step also. So the step 1 is PL is 4 centimeter, and then you have to make 90 degree angle. So for making 90 degree angle, as you know, you can take means it is not particular distance, just less than the half of that line you have to take distance from compass. Focus on the point P carefully and make the arc which will join to that line. So we have done the arc. Now you don't change the distance of compass, take your point here, and this angle will be 60, and if you make one more by taking the pointer here, then it will be 120. So actually we want the biggest arc here, so that I just increase, so that we will get the point here, and here we got intersection, and this will be 120 if you draw the line from here. But here according to question we want 90, so by using same distance, keep the point here, this will be 90 degree, keep the point of compass here, pointer will be here, and here we got intersection, and that will be 90, and draw the straight line from that point P. So this angle will be what, 90 degrees. So while writing step, you just write here, draw the line PL with 4 centimeter. Next step is make angle 90 degree from P, and then we want 75 centimeter angle. So again here you take the compass L, here you take the compass here, and just make here one biggest arc, and from this point you cut here, you will get 60. Keep your here pointer carefully, and here you will get 120. Now here we want 75, but for getting this again you have to make 90-degree angle. So as you understood now how to make 90. So here you draw the line. We got 90-degree here, and we want here 75. So that is present in between 75 and which angle? 90. So what this is 70, here this is 60, and this angle here this is 60, and this is what? 90. So you do here 60 plus 90 divided by 2. So this is what? 150 divided by 2, it is 75. So here take the position of compass pointer here, make the arc. Next one, keep the point here, make the arc. So that is what? 175. Draw the line from L. This is what we got, 75 degrees. So this is 90, sorry, this angle is 75, and this line, this that somewhere we will get here A, but the point LA is 6.5. It is given 6.5, you have to make. So here you just increase that line little bit, whichever you have drawn, so that we can get the 6.5 that we have already taken measurement. So that is what? 6.5. So this is point A. Okay, we are getting A here. So we got the two angle. Now here this A we want 1010. So for getting that protractor you have to use that, and while using this particular line, you check it carefully and keep it in this position at exactly point A, and then you have to check 110. So this is what? 120, this is 110. So see the point carefully. So I have taken the point, and now from this point A, okay, from this point A you just draw the line. So this angle we got 110. So you just increase this line whichever we have done recently, and that that quadrilateral we got, this is 90, 75, 110, and here the measurement of this one is 4 centimeter and this one was 6.5. So finally we completed this, and after this we will see the coming third and fourth part. So now here our next is third part. So in the parallelogram HEAR, here we have to design parallelogram. So for that HE is given 5 centimeter, EA it is given HEAR. So here EA is given 6 centimeter. So as you know, in the parallelogram opposite sides are same. So this is 6 centimeter. So this one will be also 6. This is 5. This will be also 5. That we got it. Here 85 is given R. So opposite angles are equal. Here it is 85. This angle and this angle will be 180 degrees. So that the reason it will be 95, because 95 plus 85 is 180 degree. So now here we start the design part. First you have to make line HE with 5 centimeter. So that process we have completed, line HE with 5 centimeter, and then you have to make 85 degrees. So we cannot make it by using compass. So here you have to make the pointer carefully, and then we want the angle 85 just below the 90 degree. So here you make a straight line, So here we got the angle 85 degree. So here according to the question, this EA, that is given 6 centimeter. So by using compass you can decide that this is what 6 centimeter. So finally here we got A, and here the opposites are equals, so that also we construct, we keep it at point H. This is what 6 centimeter, and here what is the distance of RA, that is what 5 centimeter. So now you can take here 5 centimeter, and as AR is 5 centimeter we will get intersection, so you have to just join that by using scale. So we got join here. Now you can join this one also. We are clearly getting 2 point. So it is exactly parallelogram. This will be 85 and it will be indirectly 95. So that is what the parallelogram. So it was quite simple. Now we move to the next part. So next part is the fourth one. You have to design rectangle OK, OKAY. OK is given 7 centimeter and K is given 5. So in rectangle opposite sides are same. This is 7, so this will be 7. This is 5, so this will be also 5, and each angle is 90 degree. So here this question, it's quite simple. First you have to make OK 7 centimeter. So that we will do it now. So now here we got 7 centimeter, and then here you have to make the 90 degree angle. So as you know how to make 90 degree. So at point K I want to make 90 degree. So make the arc which will touch to the line. So here this will be 60. Next arc will be 120. For making 90 degree, make your compass here, both this point. So here we got 90 degree, make the line carefully. This is what 90 degree, and its measurement is what 5. So take your compass with the 5 centimeter. So make the arc from point K. So here from point K as a center, your radius will be assumed here 5. So make the arc. So here we got 5 centimeter. Here also same is there. So make the arc. So here it is 5. Then here next one is 7 centimeter. So take the 7 centimeter from compass. Now we took 7. So as you know from here the distance is 7. So here we got intersection, so just join that line. So this, from that distance only you have to join carefully. So now one more line you have to draw from this point carefully. So you see here it is exactly rectangle. This side 5, so this one will be 5, this side, this one will be 7. Each angle is a 90 degree. So that is what the rectangle. You have to plot only one 90 degree. Then by taking the measurement of their side, you can easily, you don't need to draw each time 90 degree. You have to do it only once. So while writing the step, you write it in your language. So what about the step here? First you have to draw the line OK. Then make the angle 90 degree. Then by using compass, take O as a center with radius 5, make the arc. Then here next arc is, take this point, this is what A, and this one will be what OKAY. So here take A as a center with radius 7, make the arc, okay, and then finally you have to join the lines A, Y, Y, O. So like that you have to write all the steps. In your language also you can write. So I hope dear student you understood this. Thanks for watching. Thank you.